What's up, everybody? It's Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 seconds, where you can get the information you need in the first 60 seconds. And if you want more details, feel free to stick around for the step-by-step run-through. Stick around to find out how you can see all of your document libraries in one location from the document library and the brand new Move Copy update. Stick around.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd, I like maple syrup on my pancakes, I don't care what you heard.
Alright, just real quick, a big thank you to all of my subscribers. And at the end of this, if you see something you like, you found some value, we invite you to hit the like button. It really helps out. If you didn't, dislike, but you gotta let us know what we could improve. And if you want to be notified when everything gets released, go ahead and click subscribe and the bell notification. Okay, let's get rocking and rolling. Let's get that timer up, please. Alright, so first part of this is the being able to see all of your document libraries from the document library. All you gotta do is just click that little booklet, little icon, drop down, and you'll see all the document libraries that are listed in the site that you're on. Now, if you want to move or copy, there's a brand new interface. It's super cool, it's huge, and it's very simple. You just click on move or copy and you're going to get that brand new logo or brand new interface, and then you'll be able to move and copy. You'll also be able to select different sites to move or copy those files into. So let's see it in action. Alright, the first thing we talked about was the new icon. So here is the library icon, and this will show you all of the document libraries that exist within the site that you are on. Pretty slick. Now, it doesn't show site pages, but you probably wouldn't need that in this particular case anyway. Now let's say you wanted to move something to one of those libraries. Let's look at that brand new interface. So we're going to select this file, and we're going to go with move to. What happened in my brand new interface? That's not how it's supposed to happen. No. What? Let's refresh. Let's try it now. Whoa. Did y'all just see that? What in the world? Okay, fair enough. We'll rock with it for now. So this shows me on the left here, this is the library that I'm in. This quick access shows other sites that I have access to. And so what I would do is I would click on the site that I'm on if I wanted to move it to a library within the site that I'm visiting. I'm on the demo hub, and here are the libraries that I can choose from. We'll go Cool Peeps only, and we'll go ahead and move it here, and then boom, that file is moved. You could see actually in this demo the old and the new. So when I was struggling, that was the old interface. And when I refreshed, I got the new interface. So apparently they're still working out some of the bugs. Very interesting. And as a quick little tidbit, here's something to keep in mind when you're using move and copy. If you go to move a file and you want to move it to a site that's not listed here, you do have a more places option. And you can also see your followed. So there's a couple things you can do if you don't see your site listed here. You can go to your site and follow it by clicking the star. Another thing you can do to jumpstart it so that your sites show up here is go to the site. If it's not listed here, go to any document library and just burn off a brand new file. You can delete it, then come back here, refresh, and then SharePoint knows that you recently visited that location and you saved a file, so it will pop up here in your list of sites that you can move or copy to. And as an extra tidbit, keep this in mind when you're moving and copying. Moving deletes the file from this location and takes it along with all of its version, history, and all that jazz over to the new location. When you're copying it, it doesn't touch this file. It leaves it in place and just burns a copy, brand new copy, no way connected to this original version, and saves it in that new location. So just keep in mind, you now have two versions of this file. So with that, I'm gonna let y'all rock and roll and do the awesome job that you do each and every day. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you found something of value. And remember, SharePoint rocks, and so do you, and you, and you, and you. We'll see you next time, y'all.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd, I like maple syrup on my pancakes, I don't care what you heard.